What's going on, folks? Man, it's your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from the set. Today, we getting back into some sneakers, man. We're gonna take a look at the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low OG in the Canary colorway. Yes, it's been a minute since we actually did some sneakers here on the set. Well, not necessarily a long time, but hey, that's what the set's all about, man. We talk about sneakers, electronics, and toys. You already know what it is, man. So this one's a bit, I wouldn't say controversial, but in a sense it is, because the colorway actually, it pops significantly, right? But it's not exactly a personal grail for a lot of people. And for the Travis Scotts, that's kind of crazy. But before we get into my take, let's break down the history of the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low OGs. Now, the collab between Travis Scott and Jordan Brand has been nothing short of freaking explosive, right? It started with high top Jordan 4, and from then it completely redefined Jordan Brand as a designer brand when it comes to these sneakers, right? Then we got the low top variants of the Jordan 1, which brought us the same energy as the classic silhouette. Now, we've had some absolute fire when it comes to this colorway, from the mocha to the reverse mocha and everything in between. Now, every drop has had its cultural moments, and more recently, we've had the release of Travis Scott's own silhouette, the Jumpman Jack, which has been doing freaking phenomenal. Have yet to be able to get my hands on that shoe, but I'm not going to digress. So, as you can tell, Travis Scott has had probably the most popular and most sought out collab with Jordan Brand to date. Now, let's talk about the Canary, right? It's a bold colorway, no doubt. That yellow and blue combo on this sneaker definitely screams, for me, it screams Laney High School. But there's something definitely nostalgic about this shoe. And, of course, with the backward swoosh, it always sets people off. For me, it don't really move me that way. But it is what it is when it comes to Travis Scott shoes. But when you compare it to the other colorways in the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low lineup, it kind of falls a little bit short when you compare it to the rest of them. Now, don't get me wrong, right? It's a super solid sneaker. And if this was in my size, which is not, what we looking at here? We're looking at a size 10 women's, right? If it was in my size, I probably definitely would rock it, just because, well, I say probably definitely. I definitely would rock it just because I like loud colors. Orange is my favorite color, but the way these color contrasts with the yellow and blue, it definitely would be straight to the toe for me. But would I break my neck to cop it above retail? Probably not. The shoe retail for $150 and currently is going for about $350 on the aftermarket in this size, which is a size 10 women's. So yeah, it's just one of them things, man. It ain't one of those you gotta have it sneakers, but it definitely is one of those sneakers that would be great to add to your collection. Now, this Low OG 1 is an iconic silhouette. It definitely is, right? And the Canary colorway actually does it some justice in terms of craftsmanship and materials, as do all Travis Scott sneakers when they collab with Jordan Brand. But for me, the excitement isn't just there like it was with the other colorways, where I contemplated on several occasions that, hey, you might want to pick those up for above retail. But I don't really do that. But there were a few pair that actually made me consider trading off some sneakers, or just spending the bin on it. So, but this one just ain't it. But if these are your colors, they're not going for a crazy amount of money. I mean, 2 times the price is, well, 2.5 times the price is not terribly bad on the retail market, especially not for a Travis Scott. So I'd say it's a good sneaker, but not a great one. So what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section what you think of the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low OG. Well, that's a tongue tired, boy. It's probably because I ain't really feeling this shoe like that. But that's beside the point. Let me know down in the comments what you really think about this shoe, and if you actually cop this shoe, or if you have any other pair of Travis Scott Jordan 1 Lows in the OG variant. So yeah, it's a nice shoe, man. It is definitely a nice shoe, but will I spend the bin on it? Probably not. If it was above retail, I wouldn't do it. Not for these. Give me the mochas. Give me the OG. Give me the reverse mochas. Give me the phantoms. Give me those. Those are the ones that I will probably spend the bin on. So this YouTube thing work out, bro. I'm gonna get them. So hit like, hit subscribe, comment down below so I can get paid, so I can buy some more sneakers. No, I'm just kidding. Get that super chat though. Now I was playing. I'm gonna get on out of here, man. This has been my review of the Jordan 1 Travis Scott Low OG and the Canary variant from Travis Scott collab. It's a mouthful, but it is what it is, bro. Just say the TS1 Low OG Canaries. Bam, there you go. I'm gonna get on out of here, man. Go do something important with the rest of my life today, as you should too. I'm your boy Money Matt, and I'm gonna get on out of here, man. Peace.